Hello and welcome to this video, which we'll be looking at question 20 from the November 2017 paper 2. So nice 5 marker here, so you can use a calculator for this because it is from a paper 2. So if we just have a look at the key pieces of information, so it says in 2015 Han was paid 1,350 per month, so for 1 month's work. But then in 2016 he had a 2% increase in his monthly pay, and he worked 37.5 hours per week, but he only worked for 47 weeks. So the question is asking us to work out Han's average pay per hour for 2016, so after he's had his 2% increase. So if you pause your video and then we'll take a look at this. Okay, so first of all, now if you take his original pay as being 100% and you add that 2% on, well, that gives you 102%. So we can use multipliers here for this one. So if we take that 1350 and we multiply it by 1.02, that gets us to 1377. So that's his new pay for 1 month. Okay, 1377. Now that would get us 2 marks on this question. If you did just work out 2% as 27, that gets you 1 mark. You need that 1377 to get 2. And from past experience, most people tend to be alright with that. It's with the time that it tends to go wrong a little bit. Now there's a few ways that we can now do this. We could do 1377 times 12. That will give us 16,524. So that's his yearly pay. Remember, there are 12 months in a year. Then if we divide that by the 47 weeks that he works, that will give us like roughly, to 2 decimal places, 351.57. If we then divide that by the 37.5 hours, and that will gives us like a really big long decimal number. So it gives you like the first few decimal places of that. So that tells us if you round that to 1 decimal place, he's going to be earning £9.38 per hour. Okay, so it's this time bit you've got to take real care on here. I'll show you on the exam board answer in a minute. They've done it a slightly different way, which is okay because there's quite a lot of ways of doing these multi-step questions. Here is the exam board way. So they did this the same as I've just shown you there, but what they did was they took the weekly hours and they multiplied them by 47. So this is the hours worked in 2016, and then they just divided the yearly salary by that instead, which is perfectly fine. Either way is okay.